I love a good stir fry. Today I'm going to show you how to style a beautiful, crispy golden tofu stir fry with lots of vegetables. It's going to taste incredible and it's going to look beautiful. All right, so the protein in our stir fry today is tofu. I know some people may not, be excited about tofu, but I'm gonna show you how to make this tofu so delicious and crispy and look beautiful in a photo. So the first thing you wanna do with tofu is you always want to drain it. And so what I did to drain this tofu is I put the tofu on a large plate lined with paper towels. And then I put some more paper towels on top, and then I put a large, heavy cast iron skillet on the top and let it drain for about an hour. That way your tofu is drained of any extra moisture and it's gonna get really crispy in your pan. You also want to have a really hot pan. So as y'all can see, I brought out my big induction burner again, but the reason why I use this is because it really helps me control the heat when I'm frying. So I'm able to get the pan nice and hot and nice and ready to fry up our tofu. So the first thing I'm gonna do is slice this tofu in half. And I'm gonna do it lengthwise to get the most even cubes. And then I'm gonna slice it again vertically, about 1-inch cubes here. This texture feels great now that we've drained it. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna cut it again, opposite direction to make cute little cubes. Okay, so our ideal when we're frying this tofu is this batch that I've actually already made. So you want crispy golden edges. I love that some of these pieces have a little bit of a darker hue on them. That's gonna play in really well with our stir fry sauce. These are perfect and this is what I'm going for. So I have my pan really nice and hot and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And you wanna use vegetable oil here. You don't really wanna use any kind of grapeseed oil, avocado oil. This oil is really good because it won't smoke too badly when we get the pan really hot. So I can see my oil is hot, it's shimmering. We're gonna add our tofu cubes. So I like to kind of add them in individually. Let that sizzle in the pan. And I wanna get all of the sides of my tofu evenly browned. It's gonna look better and it's gonna taste better because you're gonna get those really yummy crispy edges on your tofu, which is what you want. And my oil is kind of pulling, so I'm gonna and remember, your pan is super hot, so if the oil starts popping, don't be locking to that pan, step back. You also want to use a saute pan that has nice tall sides so the oil doesn't spray out too badly. And if you don't have a wok, you can still make a stir fry. This is a great pan to do a stir fry in. It's got the nice tall sides, it's nice and hot. And I'm just gonna cook this tofu till it gets golden brown on the bottom side. I'm gonna flip them over so the other side gets nice and golden brown, and then we'll brown up the sides in the hot oil. So these are good on this one side. I'm gonna flip them. We're looking for these pretty golden tops. And then once the tops and the bottoms are browned, I'm just gonna flip them on their sides so we can get a nice even cube. It's golden all the way around, like a golden tofu block of gold. All right, now that these are starting to get crispy, I'm actually gonna add a little bit of cornstarch to the pan. And it's gonna help them crisp up even more, and it's gonna help the sauce thicken as it hits the tofu. They're looking cute. Cubed and cute. How about that? All right, now that our tofu is all nice and crispy, it's looking beautifully dark golden brown, I'm gonna add a little bit of the sauce. Woo! And we're just adding this to caramelize onto the tofu pieces. Love it, yum. This is gonna add an extra layer of flavor and it's gonna look beautiful in our stir fry. Okay, I'm gonna fly these out, put them in a bowl to dry so that I can get ready to cook our vegetables. So now that we have the tofu cooked, we're gonna start cooking our vegetables. I'm gonna add a little bit of the remaining vegetable oil. Again, our pan is nice and hot, beautiful. And we're gonna add in our carrots that are sliced on the diagonal so they can get really pretty and golden. And then also some green beans. And I'm just gonna cook this for like 2 or 3 minutes until they get a little bit more soft and crispy on the outside. It's like a symphony of vegetables in my pan. Sometimes when I'm styling stir fry, I'll put extra pieces onto the skillet and kind of let them get a little golden on the edges, kind of press them down into the pan, just so when you're styling your stir fry, you can face those pieces towards camera. And also they taste really delicious, so they look pretty and they taste good too. So just let the vegetables hang for a second in the pan so you can get those pretty seared bits. Yeah, looks good. green bean on the loose. And you can cook these vegetables to your preference. They do look better in a photograph if they're just done and still a tad bit crisp. But again, cook them how you like them. We're styling this food to eat it as well. Great, so these are looking really beautiful. We have some nice charred bits on the carrots and on the green beans. Now I'm gonna add in the rest of our stir fry sauce. Work quickly. Woo. Facial. Okay, so the vegetables are done. We're gonna add our tofu back in. And then we're gonna toss all this to coat, get extra depth of flavor in this tofu and the vegetables. And then we're gonna be ready to style this up. So we have our stir fry completely made. It looks amazing. All of the tofu is nice and golden and crispy. It soaked up bits of the sauce. And then I also made some rice to put with our tofu. Kind of gives us more of that Asian feel, but you could use whatever grain you have at home. You could do quinoa or cauliflower rice, whatever you like. And I'm gonna show you guys how to bring the tofu, plate it on the rice so that it looks nice and perky and full. And the first thing you wanna do is when you look at your grain, you wanna make sure that you haven't made it like completely flat like a pancake. You can use a toothpick, you can use a chopstick and just kind of go in and fluff it up, kind of make it look a little bit more natural. And that's gonna be beautiful for photo, but also when you serve it up to your guests, you'll get good scoops of unclumped rice. So I'm gonna top this with the tofu, and I'm actually gonna start putting the tofu strategically kind of in some places on the rice. And I wanna pick the pieces that are nice and caramelized-y. They have that pretty browning on the sides so that those will be catching some light and they're gonna look beautiful. And I really want this shot to feel like you can really see the sauce, and the sauce is gonna reflect a lot of the light, and the sauce is what makes this taste so good. So now that we have our tofu, I'm gonna add some green beans, kind of strategically put those on top. Whenever you're styling like a stir fry or a soup or something that has a bunch of different elements, I found that it's easier to start with each element individually. So start with the tofu, then add the green beans, then the carrots, and then kind of add your final toppings. Put some of these caramelized carrots on top. This is looking beautiful. And then once I get it all plated on here, I might look at it and go, okay, I want a little bit more. So right now, I feel like this looks a little bit sparser than what I want. So I'm just gonna add some more like maybe chunky pieces of tofu on top to add some height and some layering, maybe some more green beans. And don't get too precious about all these ingredients. Just kind of let them fall naturally. And if some kind of fall to the side, I love that. That looks great. A little sauce on the side, that looks beautiful. And I love this sauce. It's full of ginger and garlic and soy sauce, a little brown sugar for sweetness. It's absolutely delicious, real good and savory. It has that umami flavor. I want to also show the saute pan that we made this in the photo. So kind of just move that around a little bit so we see some pretty pieces. Maybe stick our spoon in like we're about to serve it. And then the final thing we're gonna do is top this off with some basil. So I'm just gonna take some pretty basil leaves, pop them on top. That looks beautiful, I love it. I'm gonna keep this behind the pot there. This smells so good. I know it's gonna taste incredible, and I'm gonna get a couple shots of this before I dive in. This is really, really good. Well done, tofu. I want to see you plate it perfect. Tag @PopKitchen on Instagram and show us all of your lovely photos of your stir fries, and also comment below. I want to know what you want to see me style next.